25th of November is a day to remember. It is Meatless Day. Please do observe 25th of November.
हम शाकाहारी बन के भगवत स्वरूप पूज्य साधु वासवाणी जी को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि दें, यही मैं आप सबको प्रार्थना करता हूँ.
To stop killing any form of life is wonderful. It is really necessary.
25th November is a day to remember. It's a meatless day.
Millions of the people world over are celebrating this day as Meatless Day, as a tribute to the great saint Sadhu Vaswani ji.
We love our children, so do animals. Let us stop all killing. I would appeal to you kindly to observe the 25th of November, Sadhu Vaswani's birthday, as a meatless day.
25 नवंबर दिन है महान, पशु पक्षियों पर करो एहसान, न मारो उनको न खाओ उनका मांस, ये है हम सबका पक्का विश्वास, पक्का विश्वास, पक्का विश्वास. नारायण